Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I have got a very short video demonstration for you today that will show you how to make text bigger on Squarespace. Just before we get into the video today, I'd just like to bring your attention that there's a link in the description for this video just down below that will give you access to a free trial version of the Squarespace editor. So check that out as well when you're done watching the video. Okay, so we've got a little paragraph of text down here just from a template that I've loaded in for today's example. And then when you can see that I've got it selected as a section there. So just again, give it a single left click and then another one. So this little toolbar appears. You'll see that I've got the ability to choose here the styles of text that are available from the styles of Squarespace. And you'll see that I've got 3 paragraph options, 4 heading options, and a monospace option. So if I, for example, show you paragraph 1, that'll set the text to a certain size and style. And then paragraph 2 will essentially change the spacing and size of that font as well. And then if you want to change the base level of font size on your website, then if you click this little site styles icon in the top right hand corner of the edit mode, and then you go to fonts here, that'll allow you then to dial in the base size of all fonts. So you can make text bigger on the whole on your website by increasing this value here. Just for your information as well, you can access the different font packs that are available to you there, and it's got a good little browser. So you can have a look at what's around, and then you'll notice that when you single click a paragraph, and then it gives you the advanced settings for that paragraph in particular as well. Okay, so you can sort of transform text there and further stylize that paragraph as well. So again, just as a recap, single left click the text in editing mode, and then you can choose from the different styles, and then to further edit those styles, you can go into that little paintbrush symbol in the top right hand corner there. Don't forget as well that there's a free trial version of Squarespace as a link in the description for this video that's available for you down below. And if you like this kind of content and you'd like to see more, give us a subscribe and a like. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell as well and turn that on. If you've got any questions or any requests for future videos, you can leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.